And then next activity is you're going to classify this same active regions using your magnetogram. So what will happen here is that, of course, you will use the same sunspot drawing. You will use the same intensity gram that you did dun sa first activity. But from the magnetogram, ito gagamitin nyo. So sa magnetogram, okay, so ito yung sunspot drawing, di ba? So magnetogram, hanapin nyo rito yung letter M. So this is your magnetogram. Pwede yung black and white. This is a black and white. M magnetogram. Pag M color, yung colorized. So this is your magnetogram of this image. Okay, so makikita nyo dito, no? Okay, so you will notice dito, no? Itong active region na to, itong dalawa na to, kaya sila separate kasi ano sila, para silang alpha. Hindi sila magka-partner. Kasi kung magka-partner sila, one is opposite the other. Okay, just like ito. Just like itong dalawan to. Itong dalawan to ay magka-partner because you will notice one is white, one is black. Okay? So what you're going to do, ito naman kung colorized. Okay? So ito same color as this, so this must not be together. But this is opposite the color of this, so itong dalawa na to ay magkasama. Okay? Do you follow? So what you're going to do is after doing the first image, kukunin nyo na may magnetogram, and then you will actually identify try your best to identify. Pwede nyo gawin, ano lang muna, alpha, beta, gamma. Ilan naman. For example, these two are alpha. Alpha to. This is beta. If it's complicated like this is actually beta din eh. Beta, gamma. And then you can actually verify it with this one. Okay. So this one, yung maliit dito, saan yung active region dito? Itong maliit na active region na to. Ito yun eh. It's actually alpha. And alpha siya. But this one, it's a very complicated one. This one is a complicated one. S12. Okay, so kung complicated, you can just say it's gamma. Okay? So ganun lang kasimple. Beta, gamma. I don't think too much about delta kasi yung delta medyo mas complicated. If you feel like doing more, you can do either of the challenges. Yung mga challenges din ako nilalagay dyan. Okay? But basic instruction, ito lang muna. Okay, just to give you an idea, ito yung mga sample, no? Okay, let me just show you a sample output. So this is a sample output for the first activity. This is June 6. June 4, 2013. June 4, 2014. And then, dalawang years lang nilagay ko dito. Okay? Ganito yung tsura niya. And then save to PDF, then submit it to me. Okay? And then, yung next output, ganito. So, same groups. Same group. So, AR1764. Then, lilibelan nyo lang beta. This is alpha. 1763. And then, 1762, gamma. Simple as that. Okay? And then, you can do the same for the next one. So, 3 years gagawin nyo for your birthday.